The very first thing to do when we power it up is to make sure that the heater is switched on. You can switch it on by pressing this button here on the back. Understanding the buttons on the dual term controller, this first button here is the on off switch. This next button here is our program button. This button here is our mode temperature selection button. This one here is our minus, and this one here is our plus. One of the features on the dual term keypad is the lock feature. In the right hand corner you will see a keypad lock. This will stop children or anybody else interfering with the keypad and changing any settings. As you can see, I am pressing some buttons here and nothing is happening. To unlock the keypad, you simply press and hold the plus and minus button together for 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, in the right hand corner, the keypad will disappear. We now have full functionality of the keypad. The next step is to set the time and the date. To do this, we press and hold down the program button for a few seconds, and we will see the minutes flashing. To change the minutes, we simply just press the plus or the minus button to the selected time. Once we've done this, we press the program button again and the hours will flash. To change the hours, we simply just press the plus or the minus button. Once we've selected the proper hour, we press the program button again, and we need to change the day. The day is symbolized up in the top left hand corner here by numbers. By selecting the plus or the minus, we can see the number changing. Number 1 is for Monday, 2 is for Tuesday, and so on until we reach 7 for Sunday. Once we've selected that, we just press the on off switch and that's it saved. Now we need to go and select the temperature for economy and comfort mode. To do that, we press and hold the M button down. We will see a temperature reading here of 22 degrees. To lower that down, we simply press the minus button to the temperature we want. This is the temperature for the comfort, and it's symbolized with the sun there. To change to economy temperature, we simply press the M button. Again, using the plus or the minus button, we can change our economy temperature. Once we have the two temperatures set, we simply press the on-off switch to save. To set a heating program, we must enter the program mode. To do this, we press and hold this program button for 5 seconds. We now need to press this program button 3 times until we get to the program screen. This is now the program screen. What I want to do now is to select a time for my economy heating and my comfort heating. To do this, I need to toggle between the comfort and the economy modes by pressing the M button. Here you will see the temperature change from 14 degrees for economy heating or 20 degrees for comfort heating. I want to set my economy heating from 12 AM to 8 AM. To do this, I simply press the plus button until I reach the number 8 shown on the screen. That is 8 AM. Now I must change from economy heating to comfort heating by pressing the M button. I now want my heating from 8 AM until 6 PM. To do this, I press the plus button until 18 is flashing on the screen. I now want my heating to switch back off to economy heating. I press the M button and then I plus until I reach this point. That has now successfully set up a program for day number 1, which is shown up on the left hand side of the screen. To select the next day's program, we simply press the program button once. The number 2, which is Tuesday, appears on the top left hand corner, and again we press the M, the plus or the minus button to make our selection. Once we've made our selection for all the days of the week and we're on day number 7, which is Sunday, and we are happy with our program, we simply press the on off switch and that is our program saved. Once our settings have been saved, we need to enter into the program mode. To do this, we simply press the M button till we see this screen with the program, and you can see our new settings have been saved. There is a block flashing, and that is flashing at the time of the day.